start lighting. So kita ada matcha. Ni matcha latte. Ni matcha strawberry. Mari kita rasa. Waktu kenapa? Penyelidikan. Aduh, kata ke? Sedap je. Okey, kau cak. Dia balance. Sebagai student account, dia balance. Debit, credit, balance. Ni lagi sedap. Cik kau rasa. Rasa sarang motor yang aku order tu. Kan? Berapa? Oh, sama lah. Tapi betul. Sekarang boleh datang lagi. Boleh datang. Bye. Bye. Dan review. Kita tak boleh decide. Saya. Aku je. Kat sini lah? Sini. So aku yang kena ke sana? Boleh. Okay. So ni dia punya. Saya dah siap. Allah berat. Okay. So this is my final decision. Nanti I'll show you apa yang kita beli. Ini adalah catch untuk kedai kedua. Tak tahu lah berapa, tak kira pun sebab dah mana satu. Dah give up. Ni Daya punya. Sekejap. Ni Daya punya. Empat cuma satu. Tu je lah. Jom. Aku jangan bayar. Kata nak tengok belakang? Muka menangis. Sekarang kita dekat bed. Should I buy this? Cantik. This, yes or no? So, damage dan 2 kedai weh. So, dia macam kalau keluar dengan Maggi. So, kalau keluar dengan open ni, memanglah. Tapi sebenarnya, cik. Saya tak masuk kan? Cik, sebenarnya diri sendiri yang lemah. So, itu je lah. Lepas ni, kita orang nak pergi makan. Nanti kita orang buat haul. Okay? Bye-bye.
The culture of trust and accountability. I think WBC should establish a secure and confidential whistleblower channel. And employees like Richard must be able to raise a valid concern without fear. This encourage transparency and helps catch problem or conflict early. So we move on to the next point.
Tuan nilai sama yang konsisten dan boleh.
Dah cakap dah guys. Aku dah cakap dah first. Saya nak kena sebut doktor. Nilai. Macam okey je awal, tapi aku expect 2 second okey lah. Sini. Okey lah, at least dah settle awal kan. Google Shop. Panas. Kita tiba-tiba kena present next week. Dah lah banyak. Kena present sejam. Paling sikit sejam. Group first. Allah.
Nak komen. Dia cantik ah.
Dah banyak monyet. Dah habis kelas. Her new hair.
New hair guys.
Cantik. Hi everyone, so it's Wednesday as usual. Kalau Wednesday, I have 2 class today, which is memang barai lah, from 11 AM until 5 PM. I tak tahu nak cakap apa, tapi there's a lot of things yang I nak tell you guys, but I don't have time sebab I rasa dah it's been berapa minggu dah I vlog. I just macam show the I just macam record the moment and I tak cakap banyak sangat sebab I'm so tired. I have my social battery dah low, so tak banyak sangat video yang I cakap. If I dah upload lah video tu, apa aku nak cakap sebenarnya ni? So I have a lot of things to tell you guys, but I don't know where to start. First of all, last week I got invited to be a panel, one of the panel, untuk talk regarding internship punya experience since I intern dekat Malaysia Airlines last semester. So they invited me lah macam untuk I bagi my insights regarding internship and so on. It was my first time invited as a panel, and it was my first time juga giving the chance to talk in front of people. Dia tak sama dengan presentation in class, tapi I think I did a good job. So proud of myself, and they gave me macam cendera hati, and I want to show you guys sebab you guys are my best friend. So this is what they gave me, macam cendera hati macam tu lah. So I want to show you guys, and I want to thank you guys sebab without you guys I tak ada courage nak cakap in front of a lot of, without you guys I tak ada courage untuk cakap depan orang ramai sebab I practice to talk a lot in front of camera. So I think you guys are macam my best friend yang see my growth since day 1 until now. So this is one of my achievement. Walaupun macam benda ni kecil je kan, benda ni macam kecil je, macam ala jadi panel je, but to me it's very important to me, and dia macam one of my childhood dreams lah untuk jadi macam orang yang cakap-cakap macam tu lah. But yeah, this is for you. So this is for you guys. Walaupun korang pun macam apa benda pun ni, but this is for you guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to support me more. Don't forget to don't stop support I, and I know you guys love me. Thank you. Tu je lah, tak ada apa pun, saja emotional. And tomorrow I still have my presentation. banyak gila presentation Sam ni weh. Presentation lagi esok, and then next Tuesday I still have another one presentation. And for now I have 10 assignments untuk complete. And my final start 30 Jun. So dia macam I still have 1 month plus sikit. So I tak prepare banyak lagi, but I'm so scared. But you guys akan teman I lah untuk study. And this is my final semester dekat uni, and this gonna be my last exam ever untuk degree. So quite emotional, but that's why lah I vlog banyak this time. So I want to tengok balik lah once I graduated later. Tu je lah, bye. See you tomorrow.
Strong revenue growth. You can see in the year 2016, they have 38.4 billion, and in 2018, because of due to the high operating expenses. So for the current ratio for smart,
There's you should go for one domain. You show understanding of the concepts. Yeah? You discuss about SWOT, financial analysis, comparative analysis. What else? Pastel, yeah, 5 quarters. I think.
Terus excited cepat tadi nak masuk sangat kamera.
Ini adalah kembar.
Bukan gambar lah, video lah. Cakap lah something. Sepatutnya dua kata.
Aika boleh kelakar. Mesti Aika ingat dia boleh kelakar. Hari ni kan. Tu biji kita orang. Okey biji. Baik tak baik? Komen down below lah kalau baik. Komen down below.